We will now be creating a view called All Sales Opportunities, which is the beginning of our tutorial on Kanban or cards interface. Kanban or cards interface are still just views of data, so like we've seen several times already, we start by building a view from the appropriate table. So we're now going to add the status field to the view. So we're going to go to Edit View. We're going to click Add to create the field status. So at the top where it says Sales Opportunities and Field Status, click Add. The name is Status, so add again. We've moved status to be near the front of the list because it needs to be the first drop-down field, and this is important in controlling the Kanban view. So if you exit off of here, you can see that this has inputted what we have just created, i.e. the status options. So we will now enable the cards interface. So click Edit View, click on Properties and Options, click on the interface drop-down and select Cards in Columns. So you can see immediately on the left here how this has changed the layout. If you then toggle off of development mode, you can see what this would look like. Kanban allows for a nicer user interface where you can drag and drop to manage, in this case, sales opportunities. By dragging and dropping, you are editing the status value. If you click on one of these, you can do a small amount of editing, as you can see us doing here on screen. But if you have lots of editing to do, you can click on the arrows in the top right-hand corner and load the full card, as you can see us doing here. You can then make more editations. And you can then click back to see how this has changed.